Okay, the Cherokee is here.
Here we go. All right.
I hope you fly. You called Phoenix.
Someone with the winch back here. Changing my deal on Cherokee. After seeing him.
Whoa. Driver.
Oh my God.
Hey, back up.
Yeah. Reverse. Just hold on. So, you're a driver?
Crazy.
Right here. No, reverse. So you're going to back up. Okay. Keep going. Friends dropping. Keep going. Keep going. You want to go all the way back because you got to get reset. Reset. Oh, yeah. Now, okay, come to me a bit.
Yeah. Come on, Phoenix, fly.
Keep her like that.
You're getting.
Reverse just a bit. Half a foot. Just a bit. I'll throw some up front.
I'm glad I'm not on the passenger's seat.
Yeah. We'll get you up this.
We'll get you up, Gary.
It's only
All
back
right,
down.
give it a little bump. Like with that locker, give her. You got it.
Oh. Stop.
No, let him give a bump.
Oh. I'll probably go over there and see the.
Get it.
Okay. You've been there for 2.5 minutes.
At least he's trying. Come on, Phoenix.
He
Come on,
better,
Phoenix.
he better make it.
You better.
He better. Oh, I kick his butt.
Yeah.
Passenger side one.
Show him how it's done. You get in there.
I told him to back out. I told you to back out. You didn't listen to me.
That's how our conversations go in my Jeep. What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, I went around. So I gotta drive it back home.
Yeah.
And I don't got skid plates really. I got factory shit one. Boss, I won the lotto. Like everything is freaking square rocks.
Yeah, get all the rocks you could get.
Kick you in the ass.
Jesus.
Well, someone's got a winch back here, don't they?
Hi. Yes.
That one's got one of the yellow ones off.
Hey, I'm not stupid enough to do that. I'll come and watch it.
Oh, yes.
Oh, this Grand Cherokee's gonna.
Oh, come on. You got a lot of audience now.
Yes, that is.
Yeah, but it's got 2-inch diff on it, and it's got bigger tire, and it's got the
Is this
skid
like
plates
the top?
everywhere.
Oh,
on
I
there.
hope it
makes it up.
And now it's Come on, Phoenix.
Like, there's so much.
Come on. My throat is dry.
Hello.
You have service?
Yes, the closer you get to the top of the world, the more you get.
What's going on, man?
That's hilarious.
No, we're in the middle of nowhere at the top of the world.
So as soon as you're gonna actually come to me a bit more,
Is there someone ready?
Yeah,
you're gonna want
it's
to
all
go
right.
up on the angle there. You don't want to go for this big ledge right here, right? Straight up here. You want to hit that this on here.
We're probably going to be a few hours before we're back there.
Okay.
We're probably going to be a few hours before we're back there.
I might have not done.
Oh! Oh, shoot.
Skid plate.
get late.
What's that? No, you can't get to where we are right now.
Good. What's up to you? What do you want to do? Get going?
Get back out now.
Not loud.
Pirates don't give up.
Right there. That's a fucking
I would say probably 3 or 4 hours at least.